Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Puerto Los Cabos Golf and Spa Resort. I'm currently in one of the Junior Suite Ocean View categories, and this particular one comes in both Preferred Club and Non-Preferred Club, and I'll talk a lot more about that as we tour the suite. So follow along. As soon as we come in the door, right next to the door, you've got the Do Not Disturb Makeup Room button. I love that you can just press that, don't have to worry about hanging something on the door outside. As we continue on, right here to the left, you have one of their signatures. This is a Secrets box. What that is, it's where they deliver the room service. And it's so convenient because maybe you're out on the balcony and you don't hear them or otherwise indisposed. What I love is they'll just drop it off right here. They'll let you know that it's there and you can grab it at your leisure. It's a really nice extra luxury touch. Now let's head into the bathroom. So as soon as we get in, you can see it's a pretty good size. You've got the door right there that shuts off completely, that gives that extra level of privacy. And on the back side of the door, there's actually a full floor-to-ceiling mirror. What you'll see here is that you have an extreme double vanity. I love that. My wife and I always love to have our own space in that sense. Over on this side, you're gonna have your hair dryer. You see you've got the sink and also the signature scent. So that is the incense. Every Secrets resort has that. And what I love about it is my wife and I did our honeymoon just over a decade ago at Secrets. And every time we come back and you light that, you kind of get those memories flooding right back. Now on the other side, you're gonna have the other vanity. This one is a bit larger. You've got your amenities here. Now this particular one is set up as a preferred club, and you can tell that by the extra bath amenities and some upgraded ones as well. You've got this little chair that pulls out so you can sit and get ready, and a really nice backlit magnifying mirror as well. Over here to the left, you see you have the large soaking tub, even big enough for me. I did a little decompression in mine last night. Over here, you've got your toilet. Really nice feature that the door shuts off completely to give that extra level of privacy. Now over here, you're gonna see the shower. It's a really large shower, a little bit of a lip going in. You see you've got the rainforest shower head up above. I love that it's way up there. Get that nice rainfall feature. And over here, you're gonna have your shower wand and a nice little bench seat in the corner. Now I did want to point out this great feature here. It's really a nice architectural feature, but also if you want the sunlight to come on in, you can open that up or you can close it for a little extra level of privacy. You've got a love sofa for two here, and then directly across you're going to see your storage. So you've got plenty of hanging storage right here. You've got your ironing board. You're also going to have your laptop size safe. I always love that it's big enough for that. More storage up above, and then you're gonna have your slippers and robes. They have a phenomenal spa here at Secrets. We highly recommend that you check it out while you're here. And if you wanna see that space and all the other spaces on the resort, check out our full resort tour where you can see every single one of them explained by me. Next to the bed, you're gonna have your fan and light controls. I really like that they have a fan in here. I always love to have the air moving when I sleep. And then you open up the door, put the screen up, and you get that fantastic ocean view and the wonderful breeze. Right here, you've got a plug. I always bring an extra USB splitter so I can plug it in and then charge all of my devices. And then of course your phone and your remote. Also tucked back here is your temperature controls. I love that it's right next to the bed. That way when my wife turns it up, I can turn it back down in the middle of the night without leaving the bed. This is a great angle to see that this is a full king size bed. It's absolutely huge. A great touch on vacation. So continuing on, at the foot of the bed, you've got this nice bench seat, you've got luggage storage here, and it's really convenient that they've got drawers just underneath so you can unpack and put it away. Underneath here, you are gonna find on the left-hand side, you have your glassware and cups, and then on the right-hand side, you're gonna have your mini fridge. This is fully stocked upon arrival, and then they'll be happy to replenish it throughout your stay. So you've got waters, some Coronitas in there, and then of course some sodas and mineral water. Right above, another one of those preferred club amenities is the Nespresso maker. So they'll replenish that daily as you like, but I always start my day at home with an espresso. I think it's a great touch. You've got your large flat panel TV that in addition to being a television, it also has the programming throughout the events and the entertainment that they have here. And you can also see the room service menu. Tucked behind, you've got two USB chargers and a US plug. And here's a small writing desk with two more US plugs on the lamp and a nice chair. Continuing on to the other side of the bed, you've got a plug down below here, and you also have this great tablet feature. Now you're gonna find this at all Secrets properties, and it's replaced the resort guide. You can find out information on the different services, the hotel itself, the restaurants, you can even see the spa menu, but my favorite feature is that you can order your room service directly on here. I know when my wife and I are ordering room service, oftentimes I'm asking her multiple times, she changes her mind here and there, I'm on the phone, feel bad for the guy, So by doing it this way, I hand it, she orders, delivered right to the Secrets box, even better vacation. So now let's step out onto the veranda. I did want to point out that I love how this pushes all the way back. You can pull the screen out here and then you get that great breeze coming right off the ocean. Now you've got 2 chairs and a table. This is that perfect place to have a cocktail in the evening, cup of coffee in the morning, or that 24-hour room service menu. Now I mentioned that this was a preferred club room and it also comes in a non-preferred variety. Structurally, this is one of the big differences. This great soaking tub is only in the preferred club rooms. I love sitting out here, having a glass of champagne, and looking out at that incredible ocean view. Now, in addition to that, there's quite a few other preferred club amenities around the resort that you may want to take into account when you consider your purchase. So the first one is the preferred club lounge. So they're going to whisk you right past the lobby, the regular check-in for everyone else. They're going to take you right down to the lounge. The concierge is going to check you in, get you all set for your stay, and it's a really nice experience having a cocktail, relaxing to get that vacation started, and then you can utilize the lounge throughout your entire stay. The bar is upgraded, so you have more alcohol choices in there and some upgraded ones, and they always have a fantastic bartender, and every time we come back, I like to see our friends that are in there. In addition to that, this particular resort has a phenomenal preferred club only pool. It wraps all the way around the Oceana restaurant. It's a beautiful tiered infinity pool just for preferred club guests. And then you can take advantage of the a la carte breakfast at Oceana, once again, just for preferred club guests as well. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Secrets or Dreams, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM resort experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your group, your family at an incredible value.